How to use question marks. Remember, in English there are 7 question words: how, what, when, where, which, who, and why. And there are 3 types of questions: direct questions, indirect questions, rhetorical questions. Firstly, direct questions. This is a question that demands an answer. A question mark is always used at the end of the sentence, replacing a period. Here's an example. She asked her friend, "What are you going to do now that you've lost your job?" Another example. She said, "I think it might stop raining by the time we get home, don't you?" Note here the question is simply asked for confirmation or agreement. Now, an indirect question is a statement containing a question word or a statement with a question embedded in it. A question mark is not used. Here's an example. She wanted to know which doctor her friend was seeing. So although the question word which is there, a question mark is not necessary. Another example. She kept asking herself how much longer she was going to have to wait. Question word how, but it's part of a statement. No question mark is needed. Thirdly, rhetorical questions. This is a question that is asked for effect or to add emphasis. A verbal answer is not expected. A question mark is optional. Here's an example. He suddenly blurted out, "Oh no, I've forgotten my keys. How could I be so stupid?" With this rhetorical question, the writer chose not to use a question mark but an exclamation mark instead for emphasis. Here's another example. Marriage is a wonderful institution, but who wants to live in an institution? Quote from Groucho Marx. So, to summarize, how do you use question marks? 1. Always with direct questions. 2. Never with indirect questions. And 3. Optional with rhetorical questions. Has this video helped you? Hit like now. Continually improve your English by subscribing to this channel. Hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and choose all to be notified when there are new videos. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Just go to goodenglish.online.